In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in Renderforest. By the end, you'll have a clean, AI-generated site you can customize in just a few minutes with no design experience required. First, open the Renderforest homepage in your browser. You'll see a navigation bar at the top. Look for the section labeled AI Tools. This is where Renderforest groups its smart creators, including the website builder we'll use today. Click into AI Tools, then choose Websites. That takes you to the AI Website Builder interface. You'll be prompted to tell the tool what your website is about. Type a short, clear description of your topic like mental health, online course, photography portfolio, or restaurant landing page. A helpful tip: include your audience and goal to guide the AI. For example, mental health resources for college students or landing page for a beginner-friendly online course. The more specific you are, the better the first draft will match your needs. When you're ready, click Generate Website. The builder will use your prompt to outline pages and content. Next, give your website a title. Keep it short, memorable, and aligned with your brand or purpose. You can include a keyword if it feels natural, but avoid stuffing in too many words. Think Calm Mind Wellness or Bright Start Online Course, not a long sentence. After that, type a brief description. 1 to 3 sentences is ideal. Explain what your site offers and who it's for, and hint at a benefit or call to action. For example, a supportive hub with articles, self-care tips, and resources designed to help students manage stress and build healthy habits. Click Next to continue. Now choose a visual style. Minimalistic is clean and spacious, great for modern brands and readability. Elegant uses refined typography and subtle accents, perfect for premium or wellness themes. Creative brings bolder layouts and eye-catching visuals for portfolios and agencies. Professional sticks to a polished, business-friendly look that works well for services and corporate topics. Pick the one that matches your tone and audience. Finally, click Generate Website. This can take a few minutes, so keep the tab open and let the AI finish. When it's done, you'll see a complete draft with sections, images, and copy tailored to your prompt. Use this as a strong starting point. You can adjust headlines, replace images, and fine-tune text to fit your voice. That's it. You've just used Renderforest's AI to build a website from scratch, faster than ever and with a clear structure ready to customize.